Imagine you're just vibing near Mega Hotel Muri, and suddenly your nose gets slapped by a spice aroma that hits harder than your neighbor's gossip. Welcome to Lion Clear Nazi. We're not just here for a meal. We're here for a full-on carbo overload ritual. The absolute mistorder is there I am Maranasi Kandar. Using the legendary Kua Banjir flooded sauce technique. Visually, it's pure, aesthetic chaos. The chicken has this deep smoky profile with a bold red glaze that's honestly iconic. And pro tip, don't sleep on their kamming kurma. The texture is insanely tender. We're talking fall off the bone status. It gives you a creamy mouthfeel without being too much, thanks to a perfectly balanced hint of dry spices. One bite, and it's a total spice symphony explosion in your mouth. You get that savory spicy hit with a subtle anistar anise aroma lingering in the back. Honestly, the viscosity of the gravy is spot on. It's not watery at all, so it's literally coating every single grain of rice to perfection. If you're looking for that authentic Malaysian soul food, hit up Jalen River ASAP. But fair warning, after this meal, the food coma is real. Don't say I didn't warn you.